10. 2024 Acura ZDX. Acura is reviving the ZDX nameplate in the form of its first electric SUV. Scheduled to debut in early 2024, the new Acura ZDX will have a more traditional shape than its outlandish predecessor, as well as a Google-based infotainment system and a Type S model that promises to be the brand's most powerful and fastest accelerating SUV. 9. 2024 Aston Martin DB12. The Aston Martin DB12's new 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivers 671 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.5 seconds, while a new adaptive suspension and luxurious interior help calm the ride for city cruising. 8. 2024 Audi RS6 Avant/RS7. The Audi RS6 Avant Performance and RS7 Performance deliver even more performance for 2024. Both cars use a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 that produces 621 horsepower and 625 pound-feet, helping rocket them to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The RS6 is actually the more affordable of the two. 7. 2024 BMW i5. The new BMW 5 Series joins the all-electric i5 for the first time. The BMW i5 is the most powerful petrol model, with 375 EP and up to 590 EP with the i5 N60. 6. 2024 Buick Envision. The Buick Envision received a bold redesign for the 2024 model year, complete with a more upscale Avenir trim and, for the first time, Super Cruise hands-free driver assist. There's still plenty we don't know about the updated Envision, but Buick promises full details before the luxury SUV goes on sale sometime before the end of the year. 5. 2024 Cadillac Celestig. The stunning Cadillac Celestig will hit the road officially in 2024. With a higher-than-expected price of $345,000, the luxury EV should make around 600 up with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup, giving it an estimated 0 to 60 time of 3.8 seconds. Expect the total driving range to be just over 300 miles. 4. 2024 Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse gets major upgrades for the 2024 model year. The updated SUV offers a sleek exterior design with a rugged new Z71 trim designed for light, off-roading, and a more premium interior complete with a 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen. 3. 2024 Honda Prologue. Honda will bring its first electric SUV to the US in the form of the Prologue. Sharing an Ultium platform with GM, the new Prologue could have north of 300 miles of range, depending on the spec, with an estimated starting price of around $45,000. Expect to see it on sale by early next year. 2. 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai just pulled the wrap off the 2024 Santa Fe, which trades the current vehicle's generic crossover look for a more rugged Land Rover vibe. No details on drivetrains or pricing are available yet, but Hyundai is planning a full launch party in August. 1. 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe. Rather than lumping the C-Class Coupe and E-Class Coupe into the same lineup, Mercedes is combining the two into one big two-door dubbed the CLE. It comes with a twin-turbo inline-six engine that produces 375 HP in the top trim, as well as a nifty 12.3-inch touchscreen with MBUX software inside.